productivity.
So productivity.
Productivity desk setup.
Productivity setup and
Productivity.
What is productivity? How much work you can get done in a given time. Ergonomics. How your environment changes your productivity. Having a good desk setup is good ergonomics. Today, I will show you how I created a desk setup that maximizes my productivity and creativity. I got my first desk in 2020. It's the same desk I use today. This desk did not have any structure to it at all. My writing utensils were placed everywhere. My laptop was surrounded by a cluster of items. There wasn't really a theme to the desk, but it works for me back then. In 2021, I decided to use my TV as a monitor for my laptop, which created some sort of structure. I improved on organization. The external monitor made video editing easier, but it was difficult reading on the monitor. My laptop was to the side of the monitor. However, I was lacking space to do my coursework. In 2022, I made some follow-up changes. I placed the laptop below my TV, I added LED strips, made more space, then I got a new laptop that ruined everything I previously built. Now I have two desk setups to work on, my home desk and my university desk setup. In building my home setup, the first step I did is I created 3 rules to follow. The first rule, the desk setup must have space for writing. Rule 2, the top of my monitor should be at eye level. Rule 3, easy to alter for different scenarios. Scenarios such as intense study sessions, time to read, and video editing sessions. The second step, I went on Reddit for desk setup ideas. Nope. What's this?
Are you tired of cluttered and chaotic desk setups? Well, brother, maybe it's time for a change. Introducing the minimal desk setup revolution. It's the most streamlined and efficient workspace configuration the world has ever seen. With just these 3 essentials, you can transform your desk setup into a sanctuary of simplicity and productivity. Imagine where distractions vanish and focus takes center stage. See yourself in control with a clutter-free desk that inspires your best work. Join the movement and embrace the power of minimalism in your workspace.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
First thing I'm gonna do here is just remove everything. After I cleared my desk, I decided to do cable management. Now, before I show you the final setup, I'm here with a sponsor too. No, I'm lying. I'm actually going to briefly explain the only challenge that I faced. The outlet started to spark. That's it. Now, here are the benefits of the setup. First is, the mousepad made a huge difference to my life. I should have gotten one a long time ago. I've been working on this video for a while. I started working on this video mid-May, and it's currently like June. And so I don't really feel like waiting till August to build my college desk setup. So I'm gonna make a part 2.